be teaching you how to make a simple clicker game. So I already chose my sprite, and I have two costumes that I like. You can pause and go ahead and do that. And when you finish with that, come back, and now we're gonna start. So what we first want to do is when this sprite clicked, and I want a satisfying sound to play. I don't like that sound, so I want it to play scrambling feet. I think it's funny. So when this sprite clicked, start sound scrambling feet, and we want a points variable. Now we know that works. So first we're gonna make it go to 0, 0. Center it in the middle of the screen. That'll look centered. And we're gonna rename the my variable to points. And we're gonna want to change points by 1. And um when we click it, we want the size to change. So first, we would make for when we click it to change the size, set size to 110, and we would have it wait 0.05 seconds, and then we want to set the size to 100. So let's look at that. It works. So now we have the points down. Next, let's make the costume switching. So when green flag clicked, set points to 0. Then we're going to take a forever loop. If else and operator. If touching mouse pointer and mouse down, switch costume to egg E for me. I'll switch to default egg C. Let's look at that. Okay, so that's working. And now let me make another sprite. I'm gonna make another egg, but I'm gonna have a different costume. So I'm gonna have it cooking an egg right there. I want Y to be 0, so they're aligned. Now that they're aligned, we're gonna come over to this egg, and we're gonna do when green flag clicked. No, you know what? Let's not be complicated. Let's do when this sprite clicked. If points are less than 100, then do nothing. Else, we wanted to play that sound again, scrambling feet. Never heard those before. Play sound, scrambling feet. We want points to change by -100. So we're actually paying our points. And then we want automatic points per second. Because this is going to be our sprite that we're going to click for automatic points. So we're going to do for all sprites. Change automatic points per second by 1. Now, let me go to the costumes. And we're going to go over here and we're going to write the cost and reward. So if you want your cost to be different, you have to change over here the cost, and we're going to change your points. So I, not 1, 10. Mine is going to be cook an egg for 100 points. Oh, cook an egg for 100 points. Make it smaller. And reward would be 10 points per second. And so we're about to be done. The last thing we do is we want the automatic points per second to actually chain the points. So when green flag pressed forever, wait 1 second, change points by automatic points per second. Now let's check it out. Seems like it's working. Now let's get to 100, and we're getting closer. I know it's working. So we can then wait, wait, wait. And if you want, you can take this over here, make another one, but like cook egg for 200 points. So let's do that. Let's do egg again. And let's do just a small little egg here. Wait. Oh, so it changes it by 20. Interesting. So let me go over here and I'm gonna bring this and drag it there. And now I have this here. I want the price to be cost 1,000 reward. I want the reward to be. What should the reward be? Let's do 100 per second. Now zoom out and make it smaller so that it's visible. Alright, there. So let me go over here. Cost if points less than instead of 1000, then points minus 1000. Change automatic points by 100. Alright, so that looks good. And now I forgot to name this egg clicker. Let's go to the project page. Let's play it. That's what I forgot to tell you guys. Set automatic points per second to 0. And that's egg clicker. And if you want to play my game egg clicker, you can play it on my profile, Ninja Man 2012, on Scratch right now. And you can look at the code, understand how I did it, and then make your own. And that's the end of this programmer end video. Check out our next one. Goodbye, guys.